Hey, what's up, everybody? Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of the creditrepairshop.com. This is a quick video. I had promised to talk about this. This is something that happened with a client. Had a lawsuit with a debt collector, third-party debt collector. Crazy thing about this is that they had to wait a full year. So they got sued last year in 2021, finally came up to for that court date. She was very anxious, and I was like, you just gotta just follow through. You know what you're asking the debt collector to provide, and just go to court. You can win, you can lose, but just stick to what's on your paper that you're asking for. Check this out. Debt collector, judge asked debt collector, do you have the information that she requested in her response to your complaint? Do you have that information? And I just made a video about LVNB funding, about this whole thing with requesting proof rather than running and saying, I don't know this, I don't know that. Judges are just going to be like, hey, you owe the money, pay the money. Well, in the response that was prepared, she was asking for documentation to prove the claimed amount, not just a couple of statements, not just the last 4 digits of a credit card. Give me everything, because if you were the original creditor and you're claiming to be the assigned creditor now, give me all of that stuff. Waited a full year, went to court this week. Judge asked debt collector, do you got the documents? Debt collector says no, and the debt collector said, I want to dismiss the case. Check this out. This is going to blow your mind. The judge said, I'm going to give you a chance. I'm going to give you the benefit of the doubt to the debt collector who asked for a dismissal. When have you ever been in court and the plaintiff, the one who paid the money to come to court to sue the individual, said, I want to dismiss the case, and the judge says, I'm going to give you the benefit of the doubt, and I'm going to schedule another hearing? You can't make this up. This is exactly what happened. She didn't know what to say. What she should have said was, I've waited a year. I don't have the time to come back. The plaintiff states they want to dismiss it. I want to get it dismissed. Let's dismiss this case. This is unbelievable. I don't know. I'm trying to think in my mind. Why would something like this happen? I'm just like, when you just wonder. And part of the problem is that the debt collection attorneys are in court every day in front of the judges, in front of the clerks. They get to know each other. You come in 1 time or 2 times, they don't get to know you. And even though it's supposed to be blind justice is supposed to be blind, we can see right here, this is a plain example right in our faces, where a plaintiff asked the judge to dismiss the case of a debt collection lawsuit, and the judge stated, I'm going to give you the benefit of the doubt and give you more time. More time for what? He had 1 year to get this information. 1 full year, and they didn't get it. So what I say is just keep fighting. You know how I am. They want you to quit. Those who don't quit will win. Those who will quit will lose. That's it. All right, if you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video, what makes us different, so you can see my 8-point validation process, 2-phase settlement process. Have debt collectors coming after you in lawsuits? I have a link below here for a service where we'll give you the instructions. We'll provide the service for you. so you can fight back against debt collectors. You can also send your documents so we can review and let you know what options we would believe would be the best for you. We cannot give you legal or accounting advice. We're just going to tell you, if I was you, this is what I would do. And everybody has the right on that. That's what this whole social, YouTube, TikTok media, all this stuff is all about. It's about sharing information. If you need your credit reports and scores, go to the website your3scores.com. We also have a link for your FICO scores. You can grab those. And if you have debt collectors coming after you early in the game before the lawsuits, grab my 3-pack of letters so you can stop debt collectors from coming after you. Thank you for your time. This is Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com. Make sure you like, share, and comment on this video.